Yeah. Oh, they look alright. Yeah. Hello. This is Jazzy. Ah. This Jazzy the Bun Fox. And I thought it'd be nice for this occasion to have a bunch of colorful balloons up. So, yeah. You may be wondering what's the occasion. Well, this is actually my first ever time doing something like this. But the amazing, wonderful folks at Pumpland sent me a pair of puffy, balloony paws for me to unbox and see what they're like. So, yeah, this is my first ever unboxing video, so it's totally not scripted at all, and guess we'll just see how it goes. So I did already open the box. Well, I mean, the box that the other box is in. And, ooh. Oh, wow. Might be a little difficult to get out of this other box, but... Pumpland. I do want to say thank you so much for sending me these. Oh, wow. So I'm just gonna open it. Yeah. I also hope this is coming out on video. Alright. Put that over there. Yeah. So what do we got here? We got this this little welcome pamphlet. It says, "Welcome to Pumpland. Inflate your furry dreams in every pump." Oh, we will be inflating. That is for sure. So, yeah. And so it's this little card here, and it also has this really cool looks like a bunch of information on the material, some storage and care, wearing steps. So yeah, this is really awesome. I'm glad that they provided all this. I should probably quickly look it over. Okay, so yeah, well, we'll just have to see how it goes. I'll put this over here. So the next thing is the sheet is for wiping the product. When you wet it, it softens. So it's some sort of wipe. Maybe it looks like maybe like a polishing sheet. That's cool. And then it looks like we got, there's a box here. And let's see what's inside this box. Oh! It's a little pump. Aw. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's cool. I'm really glad that they provided all that. Oh, wow, that's a really cool pump. So I got the inflator part, and then looks like there's like a latch to secure it. So I'm assuming if you push down, you can release that. It goes up. Aha! Oops. So, cool. Well, thank you. I'm glad that was provided. I might have other means of inflating them. So, yeah, that's awesome. I will also set that aside. Alright. So now, ta-da! The main event. So I don't know why I had these scissors out. Put those over there. No sharp objects. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. There. Ah, wow. Oh my gosh. They're so squishy. Wow. Wow, really, thank you so much. Ah. So, yeah. So it's the bag with the paws. I got puffy hand paws. Puffy, balloony, pumpy hand paws. And it's in a Ziploc bag, so that's nice. I don't really need to... I don't need any scissors or anything. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are amazing. I like the little collar. Or little, like, lock collar thing. I just like feeling them. Oh, wow. These are really, really amazing. So it's like a little foam thing inside. I assume that's to protect them. Put that over there. Ah, okay. And then you can put your paws inside. Oh, I see. So the collar, or this is like to tighten it on it. Ah, yeah. It's got like a little. Oh, it's got a lock on it. Oh, cool. So yeah, and then there's the valve to inflate them. So I assume that they are not inflated right now. And then here's the other one. Gosh, they're so balloony. I love the shape of them. Wow, thank you so much. And again, the valve. And then the little lock. I mean, they're already like a balloon. So just to get... Oh, okay, I see. Ooh. Oh, they feel really squishy inside. Oh my gosh, and they stretch so much. And then the key for the cuffs. So yeah, this is what comes inside the box. When you order the balloon paws. Yeah. Oh gosh. So you were probably wondering, I mentioned about inflating them. I just thought it'd be silly. Obviously they won't float or anything. Maybe. Helium. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I might have some trouble getting them on without the lube. They did mention lube is recommended. But I could give it a shot. At least I get one on. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh, Oh, they're very squishy. Oh, wow. Oh, they already feel like, oh, I love it. And then what if I just, I don't know if it's gonna work. Just curious. I don't know if I have enough helium, honestly. But just curious. Put that in there. Oh, wow. Helium Paws! Yay! Wow. Actually worked better than I thought it was going to. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look how big they get. This might be a little difficult with one hand. Oh my. They literally balloons. A little something on there. Oh, this might be a little bit challenging to get them on. Squish. Thank you so much again, Pumpland. I thought you would enjoy this silly video. Now I can officially say, helium paws. Helium balloon paws. Now I got lots of balloons. Thank you. Well, thank you again. This is Jazzy saying, squeak, squeak, squeak. Bye. Hello, this is Jazzy again. Just wanted to do a follow-up video to the last one because I realized that I did not really show how to properly deflate them. And also I wanted to just stress that it is suggested or on the packaging to not overinflate these. So maybe inflating them with helium is not the best idea. I just thought it'd be silly, and I've been using helium for inflation a lot over the years, so I'm pretty experienced with knowing what the limits are of materials, and I just want to stress that I would strongly recommend using the pump provided. So I just wanted to kind of showcase that for you all, and also do a little bit of like a close-up video So I'll just pull out one of the poles here. Bob. So yeah, there's the valve in the back. And then they were very nice enough to provide me the pump. Thank you again, Pumpland. So yeah, this is the pump. You know, it's got a little bit of a lock mechanism here, so just push down to release it. Probably this way. There we go. So yeah, and then I think you could probably then just attach to the valve, or actually, so there's attachments on the back. So one second. There you go. So yeah, so just screw this on right here. Does it screw? Where's it go on this one? Oh, put it here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so what you want to do is insert it and lock it in. Just like a bike pump. And then insert into the valve. And then you pump. And 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 pump. 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 Oops. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. That's good size. And then, of course, you just latch it. And you fall off. Oops, sorry. I love how I love them. They're great. Awesome. Thank you very much again, Pumpland. So, yes. So, what I wanted to show is to deflate them in the instructions. So, again, just wanted to showcase this. What you want to do is you want to use the pin, which is just a standard like basketball pin, football pin. And then what you want to do is you want to insert it and then you can get it all nicely deflated. Yeah, this is much easier than what I was doing before with pinching the valve, which I'll need to know if that could cause any damage. But yeah, the pin is definitely the way to go. And then you get them really nice and flat for extra pumpy fun. So there you have it. That was what I wanted to show. So, bye!